Is your car shaking every time you hit the gas? Today, we're replacing a bad transmission mount. When this part wears out, you'll feel vibrations, clunks, and even hear knocking sounds under your car. First, support the transmission safely, then remove the old mount. Slide in the new one and tighten everything to spec. This simple fix can make your car feel smooth again. And it's a job you can do right at home with basic tools. If this video helped, hit that like button and check out my other shorts for more fast DIY car fixes. Stay tuned, I've got more repairs coming your way.